Cool blimey, have a go at this HJ60. This is a first month 1990. Same as mine, this is the end of the road for the 60 series in Australia. Last month that they produced them, and this one has had a birthday. Just check it out, brand new paint all over this thing. It's actually only been on the road a few weeks. It's been into Mr. Landcruiser for a bit of mechanical, but Dean, the owner, bought this one 11 years ago off his neighbour actually, or him and his dad did. And Ammo, his father, said that he would one day restore it for Dean, and what a father Ammo is, because just look at this thing. He's been right through it. No expense has been spared at all on this thing. The maroon is absolutely beautiful. He's played with a few of the colours on it. The rear bumper, it was a bit light for him, so he's put a bit of black in there, darkened up the grey for the factory rear bumper. It just looks absolutely beautiful, but it's a stunning piece of machinery, this thing, and it definitely deserves a walk around. So let's start up the front. We've got the ARB bull bar. Now that's got a couple of spotties in there, and a decent winch, because this thing is a tourer and it's going to get out there. They're going to be enjoying this thing, so definitely want to get out of trouble when you're out on the tracks. So, but you know, right through. So this is what I was talking about, the rear bumper. He's done it to the front grille as well. We've got the grey there with a little bit of darker fleck in it, and that's right through the grille. The headlight surrounds absolutely pristine there. We've got the LED inserts there. I like them. I've been looking at those myself, so they look really cool up the front of this thing. Moving back, the wheel arches have been done. We've got new rubbers on there, new side repeaters. We've got safari snorkel, obligatory for one of these things, especially when you're touring. And then we got the chrome mirrors, man. You don't see them very often, not genuine Toyota ones anyway. Moving back, we've got the XM3 rear windows in them. Now, this is a Queensland company, and they come up a treat. Both sides, you can open them up and get in to your fridge, or if you're packing stuff in the back there, you don't have to climb in the back. It's a real sweet addition to this thing. And with the tinting as well and the chrome, this thing just stands out like a sore thumb. It's just beautiful. Moving around the back, we've talked about the bumper. We've got some LED, rear LED there for when you're camping and stuff like that. And in the back, you open this thing up, we've got a single drawer and what looks like a 65-litre fridge or something. We've got SIG sockets, we've got little displays to see how much voltage is in your dual battery, but this thing is definitely set up for touring. Let's go inside and check out what other little hidden gems we've got inside. Well, what can I say? This thing is about as clean as they come, honestly. The dash pad, underneath this brand new dash pad, the dash itself is absolutely uncracked. We've got a doubled in stereo in there. It's just nice and simple, you know, there's not too much going on. But you know, the steering wheel's no cracks in it. The dash looks pretty complete. Usually they're all cracked down here. Look, we've got extra gauges. We've got an extra water temp gauge over there. Just down here by my right knee, we've got boost and your EGTs to monitor what's going on in the engine. A UHF radio, just simple stuff, electric brakes, center console. I must mention these door cards. Now they're original, they have not been reupholstered. They are just immaculate. Underneath, I've had a little look underneath these seat covers. The seats are in exactly the same condition as the door cards. It's just amazing, really. Building 70s, we sell their stuff. We've got the cup holders. They do a few cool accessories for the cruisers. We've got cup holders in the front here, cup holders in the rear. We've also got the baby seat in the back, so this is not just a tourer, it's a family tourer. And that, for me, is one of the best things about the 60. All the seats, you know, you can even have the extra 2 seats in the back if you really want to with the Saharas. These things are built to tour with the family, man. It's absolutely awesome. Look, I must mention the headlight, the window switch here. Now this has come all the way from America. Ammo had to wait a few weeks for this to get here, but apparently you can only get them in brown. But a great addition to this thing. You know, all the electrics work, and it's really a testament to Ammo's work on this. Right, so being the HJ60, it's got the 2H 6-cylinder diesel in here. So everybody knows they're a bit of a slug. So this one's had a snail bolted to the side of it. We've got a low mount AXT turbo kit going on in this one. Now Ammo fitted that himself when he was doing the rebuild. It goes really well, actually. I've been up the road in this one. Moving down from that, we've had this thing on the hoist, and I know it looks good on the outside up here, but it doesn't stop there. Underneath is as clean as it is up here, man. They've painted the chassis, all the diffs. It's got new anti-roll bar links. I mean, just look, we've got no expense has been spared. We've got brand new Aisin locking hubs out here. New suspension's gone right through it. Now, why it was in here? Now, there was a few issues with the thing wandering all over the road. We noticed that it didn't have any caster wedges in the front, so we've put the caster wedges in. We've also, while it was on the hoist, a couple of things. The front diff was noisy as anything, so we've pulled the front diff out, pulled the swivel hubs off it, and put a kit through the centre of this diff here. Fully rebuilt with a terrain tamer kit. And while we were there, we reset all the kingpin shims and everything like that. So this thing has now been for wheel alignment, and it drives like an absolute dream now. Before it was bump steering, it was doing all sorts of stuff, but Ammo wants it to be as safe as it can be for his son, so they can go touring with the family, and we've definitely been right through it. So this thing is top notch now. So Ammo's on his way here now. Super excited for him to come pick it up, take it for a test drive. It's going to blow him away. This is chalk and cheese, it really is, compared to how this thing drove when it came in here and how it drives now. First month, 1990 HJ60. What a beauty.